She is a member of the cross-country team as well as on the track team. Madison plans to go to college for nursing and obtain her RN licensure. Henry Davenport. Our second nominee for King is Christian Hawkins. Christian is the proud son of Audra Hayes. Christian is part of the Moot Choir, BNN, Theater Productions, and FCA. Christian plans to earn a degree in accounting and music production. Tonight, Christian is being escorted by Junior McCall Medium. McCall is the daughter of Miriam Rusin and Media Tesfosky. McCall is a member of the National Honor Society of the Arts and plans to go to school to become an architect. Christian Hawkins. Our third nominee for King is Jake James. Jake is the son of Amy Shields and Chad James. Jake is a member of the Mount Juliet High School baseball team. Jake plans to attend college to obtain a degree in business and marketing. Jake is being escorted by Presley Ray. Presley is the daughter of Grayson and Kevin Summer. She is a member of the National Honor Society and hopes to become a pediatric nurse and teach Sunday school. Jake James. Our fourth nominee for King is Brady Patterson. Brady is the son of Natalie and Greg Patterson. Brady is a member of the baseball team, National Honor Society, National Technical Honor Society, Men's Volleyball, and FBLA. In his future, Brady aims to obtain a degree in business. Brady is being escorted tonight by Brett Brody. Brett is the daughter of Julie and Bill Kane. Brett is a member of the Mount Juliet High School dance team and plans to study nursing at UT Chattanooga. Brady Patterson. The final member of our senior homecoming court is Richard Q. Richard is the son of Neilio and Gypsy Q. Richard is a member of Best Buddies, HOSA, Student Council, and the National Honor Society. Richard plans to study biological sciences in order to become a dentist. Richard is escorted tonight by Elena Brewer. Elena is the daughter of Stacy and Chris Brewer. Elena is a member of National Honor Society, Best Buddies, Student Council, and the National Science Honor Society.